This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. Everything in this house is immaculate and upgraded for a smooth and easy move-in. Situated in a quiet cul-de-sac, your first impression will wow you. New roof, new HVAC, new kitchen appliances, and new carpet all await. Downstairs, there is an open floor plan, great for entertaining in the kitchen, dining room, and family room with a cozy gas fireplace. Upstairs is the large primary bedroom and private ensuite, and there are 2 additional and spacious guest rooms. Outside, escape to the oversized fenced-in backyard. No flood insurance required. Your new home is just around the corner from local eateries, shops, parks, YMCA, schools, and even horse stables.